Welcome to the analysis with World Trade. So we are starting up with flip X1. Okay, so here's flip X1, and of course let's mark out our recent high. Okay, so that's our recent high. The market is currently there, but then we are seeing a good bullish momentum. Then the market is likely to actually close above that. But remember, if the market is able to close above there, that means we are still going bullish on it. We're going to see something like this, unable to break below the stop is somewhere around here. They see bullish candle form again. That means we are going long on it. And of course, stop loss is going to be below anywhere it stop. Remember, we said we want to see a bullish candle fully form. Once the bullish candle fully form, then we go long, put our stop loss below wherever it stops. Then it's going to stop somewhere. Then that takes us to our long trade. On the short side, remember, I want to see the market and change the structure before we go short on flip action. But let's go to 15-minute chart. Let's see what is going on there. Okay, so you see the same thing. You can see this internal structure right here. Let me use this. The market actually have something like a minor resistance at this level. So you can see that. Remember, it's going to stop somewhere. So it's possible that it's going to stop somewhere around here. Or then remember, I said, but it should not break below. So long as it never stop, either it stop somewhere here, somewhere around there. But so long as it does not break below this before stopping, then that means they're likely to see a bullish movement. But if it should go below it, then moves again into the zone again, that means we are still bullish. Please take note of that. Our main zone is this level. So long as it's above this, we are still looking for bullish trades. Okay, so that's that for flip X1. So let's go to page 600. Okay, on the 4-hour chart. All right. Okay, you can see that moving straight into our levels. Let's see, are we going to continue bullish, or are we seeing some bearish retracer? Okay. From the formation we actually see is actually looking bullish. Why? Because let me see use this to mark. I'm sure by now you should be familiar with this my pattern. Let's say we actually start from, okay, let's say, okay, let me just use from here, stopping here above, then let's say moving here, then stopping here, then maybe moving below that, bearish, but then breaking above this to test this, stopping here. No, not you testing this, you can see stopping here. Now breaking above this again. I'm sure you understand it now. So let's just stop it right here, then stopping here. Now we test this again, stopping here. You can see it going here, stopping here. Okay, so it's stopping here. Then now moving. Okay, let's just. Oh, okay. Let me just use like this to be a bit clearer. They can see it's moving below again. So that means so long as this level is still validated, this level is not taken out, you can actually stop anywhere around it. If you stop, then we see bullish continuation. Then that means we go bullish on pain 600. So I'm still very much bullish because of this formation. So my bullish formation or my bullish pattern is going to be this way, but then it's after the bullish candle is formed. My stop loss for now is going to be here, but then when the bullish candle formed, then I can now adjust my stop loss to wherever it is. The minimum I'm targeting is 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So this is my formation on pin 600. Okay, after pin, let's go to the next one, which is gain. And of course, we are still using 600. Okay, going to the 4-hour chart to see what really is going on there. On the 4-hour chart, we actually still very much bullish, judging by these two candlesticks. But then you can see the market, we can actually call this a minor bullish pattern. Why? Because it's actually moved all the way from this level this way. You can see it. This more like a range. So that means we're able to see concentration of this. So then let's see what really is going on the 15-minute charts. All right, on the 15-minute chart, you can still see bullish formations. You can see the bullish formation breaking above this previous level. So we want to see continuation for us to go long on pain on gain 600. So let's see continuation. Let's see when the markets are moving bullish. Let's like maybe like 3 bullish candles. Then we can okay, yes, the bull is likely to continue this because already what you have currently is a bullish formation. Okay, so that's that for gain 600. Let's go to break. Or if we are using break 600. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour chart. Just a moment. I'm trying to put my pending order. Alright, okay. So you go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, actually it's still a bearish formation, not yet bullish. Like moving from here down, breaking below it, not breaking above. Assuming you broke above, that would have been a bullish, but then stopping here is still bearish. So let's still go to the 15 minutes and let's see what's going on there. Okay, you can also see it right here too. It's actually still looking a bit bearish. But then I'm not really comfortable with this pattern. So on 600, on box 600, I'm not really placing any trade today. I'm not doing anything on box 600 for today. Maybe tomorrow analysis, I'll tell you what next I'll be doing. Remember, we do this every single day. So if this is the first time, we do this again tomorrow. Please make it a date with us. And of course, we do updates to help guide as a guide, not really me telling you what to do. It's just a guide with your own personal analysis to give you a better edge in the market. That said, let's go to the final one for today, which is FX volume 20. Okay, and please remember, our World Trade actually don't just offer synthetics; they also offer normal forex markets. You can take your pound dollar, your gold, your BTC USD, and every other markets with them. Okay, on FX volume, we're actually very bullish. So that means we are looking for just bullish trades. So let's go back to the 15-minute chart. Let's see if they can see bullish trade. Okay, we can actually see some bullish formation. So here is my bullish setup. Stop loss ahead and take profits. Minimum 1:2 risk to reward. So here's my bullish setup on FX volume 20. Alright, that said, let's bring to the end of the analysis with World Trade. Remember, I always say it once again that World Trade doesn't just offer synthetic, they offer the forex market. They are with minimum deposit of just $5. I can open some trades with as low as 20 cents. Believe me, you can't actually be wrong using this broker. They're actually available worldwide. You can check the description. I'm leaving a link there for you to register. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.